serious strife. Now you make the scene all day, but tomorrow they'll be held to pay.
After life, you'll be headed for the serious strife. Now you make the scene all day, but tomorrow they'll be held to pay.
The people listen attentively. I mean about future calamity. I used to think the idea was obsolete until I heard the old man stamping his feet. This is a place where eternally fire is applied to the body. Teeth are extruded and bones are ground and baked into cakes which are passed around.
The afterlife, you'll be headed for the serious strife. Now you make the scene all day, but tomorrow they'll be held to pay.
Beauty, talent, fame, money, refinement, top skill and